Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to revert back to an older version of a game on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options. Click on Library to access your complete collection of games. Now you'll see all your installed and available games listed in the left panel. This is where you'll locate the specific game you want to revert to an older version. Once you've found it, right-click on the game title to bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can adjust numerous settings and configurations for that particular game. In the Properties window that appears, look at the left panel where you'll see several tabs and options. Click on Game Versions and Betas or simply Betas depending on how it's labeled in your Steam client. This section is specifically designed for accessing different versions of your game, including beta releases and previous stable builds. Now here's the important part. Once you're in the beta section, you'll see a list displaying all available versions of the game that you can switch to. This list includes older stable versions as well as any beta branches the developer has made accessible. Select the older version you want to install from this list. Keep in mind that not all games offer this feature, as it depends entirely on whether the developer has made previous versions available through Steam. After selecting your desired version, Steam will automatically begin downloading and installing that older build of the game. You might need to wait a few minutes while this process completes, depending on the size of the game and your internet connection speed. The download will replace your current version with the older one you selected, and that's it. You've successfully reverted your game to an older version on Steam, giving you access to previous content or features you might prefer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.